14th September 2024, Aries. Love life, a thoughtful gesture will strengthen your relationship. Show your partner that you care through small acts of kindness. If single, reaching out to someone you've been thinking about might lead to a new connection. Career, focus on efficiency and productivity. Organize your tasks and manage your time effectively to achieve your goals. Well-being, practice mindfulness to stay grounded and manage stress. Engage in activities that help you relax and stay centered. Advice, be patient and persistent. Your efforts will lead to positive outcomes. (14th September 2024, Taurus. Love life, a thoughtful gesture will deepen your connection with your partner. If single, consider reaching out to someone you've been thinking about. Career, focus on efficiency and productivity. Prioritize your tasks and work towards your goals. Well-being, practice mindfulness to stay grounded and centered. This will help you manage stress. Advice, be patient and persistent. Your efforts will lead to positive outcomes. (14th September 2024, Gemini. Love life, spend quality time with your partner and engage in activities that bring joy. For singles, being open and friendly can lead to new romantic connections. Career, stay focused on your goals and avoid distractions. Your determination and perseverance will help you achieve success. Well-being, practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques to manage stress. A calm and centered approach will support your well-being. Advice, stay focused and practice mindfulness. Your dedication and calmness will lead to positive outcomes. 14th September 2024, Cancer. Love life, open communication will help resolve any misunderstandings in your relationship. Share your thoughts and listen to your partner's perspective. Singles might find new connections through meaningful conversations. Career, focus on improving your skills and knowledge. Investing in your professional development will enhance your career prospects. Well-being, engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Finding balance will help you maintain a positive mindset. Advice, prioritize personal growth and communication. Your efforts will lead to long-term success. (14th September 2024, Leo. Love life, engage in deep conversations with your partner to strengthen your emotional connection. If you are single, meaningful discussions can lead to new romantic possibilities. Career, your creativity will be at its peak. Use your imaginative ideas to enhance your projects and bring fresh perspectives. Well-being, maintain a healthy balance between work and relaxation. Ensure you allocate time for self-care and relaxation to avoid burnout. Advice, focus on your creativity and self-care. Your balanced approach will lead to success and fulfillment. (14th September 2024, Virgo. Love, emotional intimacy deepens today, making it a good time to strengthen your bond with your partner or explore a new relationship. Career, today is favorable for long-term planning. Focus on mapping out your career trajectory for the months ahead. Well-being, you may feel emotionally stable and grounded. Use this to set new personal goals. Advice, use the stability of the day to nurture important relationships and set future plans in motion. 14th September 2024, Libra. Love, communication flows smoothly today, making it a great time to discuss any important matters with your partner or to share your feelings if single. Career, you'll be highly productive today. It's a good day to finish up projects or tasks that have been on your plate for too long. Well-being, your mental clarity is high, but don't forget to take care of your body as well. Stretching or light exercise can help keep you energized. Advice, keep an open heart and mind and be willing to compromise when necessary. 14th September 2024, Scorpio. Love life, plan a romantic date or special outing with your partner. Singles, be open to meeting new people who challenge and inspire you. Career, leverage your problem-solving skills to address complex issues. Your innovative approach will be appreciated. Well-being, stay active and engaged in activities that boost your energy and mood. Advice, be proactive and innovative. Your approach to challenges and self-care will lead to success. (14th September 2024), Sagittarius. Love life, spend quality time with your partner focusing on mutual interests. Singles, take the initiative to connect with new people who share your passions. Career, use your analytical skills to manage tasks effectively. Your attention to detail will be valuable in achieving your goals. Well-being, practice mindfulness to stay grounded and centered. Balance work with relaxation for overall well-being. Advice, be analytical and proactive. Your attention to detail and self-care will lead to success. (14th September 2024), Capricorn. Love life, spend quality time with your partner focusing on mutual interests. Singles, take the initiative to connect with new people who share your passions. Career, use your analytical skills to manage tasks effectively. Your attention to detail will be valuable in achieving your goals. Well-being, practice mindfulness to stay grounded and manage stress. Balance work with relaxation for overall well-being. Advice, be analytical and proactive. Your attention to detail and self-care will lead to success. 14th September 2024, Aquarius. Love life, spend quality time with your partner focusing on activities you both enjoy. For singles, attend social events that align with your passions. Career, use your problem-solving skills to address any obstacles. Your innovative approach will help you succeed. Well-being, maintain a balanced routine with regular exercise and relaxation. Practice mindfulness to manage stress. Advice, be innovative and balanced. Your approach to challenges and self-care will lead to positive outcomes. (14th September 2024, Pisces. Love life, spend quality time with your partner focusing on shared activities and mutual interests. For singles, explore new social circles and be open to new romantic possibilities. Career, leverage your creativity to tackle current projects and overcome obstacles. Your unique approach will lead to success. Well-being, incorporate mindfulness and relaxation techniques into your daily routine to manage stress effectively. Advice, be creative and balanced. Your approach to challenges and self-care will bring positive outcomes.